In a world filled with endless distractions and fleeting attention spans, the ability to leave a lasting impression is a skill that can set you apart from the crowd. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or simply someone who wants to make a memorable impact, mastering the art of being unforgettable is essential. But what does it take to go from being just another mare to becoming a truly remarkable presence? That's where this video comes in. In this video, we will explore the secrets to being unforgettable and how you can apply them to your own personal and professional endeavors. So, get ready to leave a lasting impression and embrace your journey from mare to memorable. The importance of being memorable. In a world where information overload is the norm, being memorable is no longer just a nice-to-have but a necessity. Whether you're a business looking to stand out from the competition or an individual aiming to leave a lasting impression, being memorable is crucial for success. When you are memorable, people are more likely to remember you, recommend you, and engage with you. Being memorable helps you build trust, credibility, and influence, which are all important factors in today's highly competitive landscape. So, how can you become unforgettable? Understanding the psychology of memory is the first step. Understanding the psychology of memory. Memory is a complex cognitive process influenced by various factors. To be memorable, you need to understand how memory works and leverage that knowledge to your advantage. One key aspect of memory is the concept of the serial position effect. This effect suggests that people tend to remember the first and last items in a list more easily than the items in the middle. Knowing this, you can strategically place your most important points or messages at the beginning and end of your interactions to increase the chances of being remembered. Another important factor to consider is emotions. Emotionally charged experiences are more likely to be stored in long-term memory, so incorporating emotional elements into your content or interactions can make you more memorable. Additionally, repetition plays a crucial role in memory formation. Repeating key messages or using mnemonic devices can help reinforce your presence in people's minds. Techniques to make a lasting impression. Now that you understand the psychology of memory, let's dive into some practical techniques that can help you make a lasting impression. One effective technique is to craft a unique personal brand. Your personal brand is what sets you apart from others and makes you memorable. It encompasses your values, personality, expertise, and the overall experience you provide. By defining and consistently communicating your personal brand, you can create a strong and memorable presence. Another technique is to enhance your communication skills. Effective communication involves not only what you say but also how you say it. Pay attention to your tone, body language, and listening skills. Engage with your audience, be present, and make them feel heard. This level of attentiveness can leave a lasting impression. Crafting a unique personal brand. Your personal brand is your unique identifier in the sea of sameness. It's what makes you stand out and captures people's attention. To craft a unique personal brand, start by defining your values, passions, and strengths. What do you want to be known for? What makes you different? Once you have a clear understanding of your personal brand, consistently communicate it across all your touchpoints. From your website to your social media profiles to your interactions with others, ensure that your personal brand shines through. Embrace your authenticity and let your true self shine. People remember and connect with genuine individuals, so don't be afraid to show your true colors. Enhancing your communication skills. Effective communication is a powerful tool for leaving a lasting impression. Beyond the words you choose, your tone, body language, and listening skills play a significant role in how your message is received. To enhance your communication skills, start by actively listening to others. Show genuine interest in what they have to say, ask thoughtful questions, and provide meaningful responses. Be mindful of your body language, maintaining open and engaged posture. Pay attention to your tone of voice and aim for a confident and friendly delivery. Practice active communication regularly, and you'll find that people remember not only what you said but also how you made them feel. Leveraging storytelling to captivate your audience. Humans have been captivated by stories since the dawn of time. Storytelling is a powerful tool for making a lasting impression. When you tell a story, you create an emotional connection with your audience, making your content more memorable. To leverage storytelling effectively, start by identifying the key messages or lessons you want to convey. Craft a narrative around these messages, using relatable characters, vivid imagery, and engaging plots. Make sure your story has a clear beginning, middle, and end, and don't forget to incorporate an emotional element. Whether you're sharing a personal anecdote or using storytelling in your marketing campaigns, remember that a well-told story can leave a lasting impression that resonates with your audience. Incorporating visuals to enhance memorability. In the digital age, visuals play a crucial role in capturing attention and enhancing memorability. Humans are visual creatures, and we are more likely to remember information presented in a visual format. To enhance your memorability, incorporate compelling visuals into your content and interactions. Whether it's through eye-catching graphics, infographics, or videos, visuals can help you convey your messages more effectively and leave a lasting impression. When using visuals, ensure they are relevant, engaging, and aligned with your personal brand. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different visual formats to captivate your audience and make a memorable impact. Utilizing social media to stay top of mind. Social media has revolutionized the way we connect and engage with others. It provides a powerful platform to showcase your personal brand and stay top of mind. To leverage social media effectively, start by identifying the platforms most relevant to your audience. Choose a consistent username and profile picture across all platforms to maintain a cohesive personal brand. Share valuable content that aligns with your expertise and values. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking questions, and initiating conversations. Be authentic, show your personality, and let your audience get to know the real you. By consistently showing up and providing value, you can establish yourself as a memorable presence in the online world. Networking strategies to leave a lasting impression. Networking is an essential part of personal and professional growth. When done right, networking can help you build meaningful connections and leave a lasting impression. Start by attending events or joining communities relevant to your interests or industry. Prioritize quality over quantity when it comes to networking. Focus on building genuine relationships rather than collecting business cards. Be an active listener, ask thoughtful questions, and show genuine interest in others. Follow up with personalized messages or gestures to reinforce your connection. By being authentic, attentive, and genuinely interested in others, you can make a lasting impression that opens doors for future opportunities. Embracing authenticity for long-term memorability. In a world of filters and facades, authenticity stands out. Embracing your true self and being authentic is a powerful way to leave a lasting impression. People are drawn to genuine individuals who are not afraid to be themselves. Embrace your quirks, share your unique perspectives, and let your personality shine. Authenticity builds trust and creates meaningful connections. It allows you to stand out from the crowd and be remembered for who you truly are. So, don't be afraid to be authentic. Show up as your true self, and watch how being genuine can make you truly unforgettable. Being memorable is essential. In a world where attention is scarce and competition is fierce, being memorable is essential. By understanding the psychology of memory and implementing practical techniques, you can master the art of being unforgettable. Craft a unique personal brand, enhance your communication skills, and leverage storytelling and visuals to captivate your audience. Utilize social media to stay top of mind, build meaningful connections through networking, and embrace authenticity for long-term memorability. Remember, being unforgettable is not about being flashy or loud. It's about leaving a genuine impact that resonates with others. So, take the first step in your journey from mere to memorable. Embrace your uniqueness, share your story, and leave a lasting impression that will be remembered for years to come.